Okay, so hari ni kita akan main game Horror Story Adventure like that version pixel. So kita kena explore untuk mendapatkan ending. Ending ni tak silap banyak juga, tapi hari ni kita akan main sekejap je sebab tak banyak masa, tapi tak apa. So kisah dia menceritakan tentang seorang main karakter. Dia balik lewat daripada kerja, dia penat, dia masuk sebuah train dan tiba-tiba train tu ada masalah. Masalah apa? Itu yang kita tengok video ni. Okay, let's go.
Give 'em grand hands, say what's up America. Half of you should know me, right? Other half a replica.
So hari ni kita akan main Saya Hate Station. Okay, dia aku tak tahu cerita dia macam mana, tapi yang aku tahu dia horror. Lepas tu dia horror story, boleh explore macam tu. Lepas tu dia pixel. Okay, so kita new game lah sebab aku tak main lagi. Okay, ni barang ni. Alright, this is the very end. Okay, ada lelaki. Let's go on and on together forever. Oh, apa tu? Macam ada bunyi gegaran. Oh, bunyi kereta api, guys. Last train at the end of another day comes in by walk. Okay. Okay. Give up, go to work, go home. Game flight. My manager got mad and me today. Again, I see all be so incompetent. My body feel heavy. I exhausted. Can keep my eyes open. Iki punya English taklah hebat mana, guys. Kalau Iki tak faham tu maklum je lah ya. I should sleep just for a while and it will wake me. Okay. Kalau korang tahu maksud dia, boleh kat komen sikit, guys. Cerita dia macam mana. Sebab Iki pun tak tahu mana nak cakap bahasa Inggeris ni. Okay. Oh, kita dah boleh jalan ke? Oh, Haru Akinashi. Oh, ni karakter lelaki tu. Did I miss my stop? The train car is completely silent. Must be end of the line. Damn, I have to be in early tomorrow. Guess I taken at taxi home. What a pain. Let's just get out of here. Haruki move. That inspect X menu lock. Okay. Okay, guys, nak ke mana ni? Macam mana tutorial, guys? Very smart. I don't remember taking to today. Hello, inside this in the case. Apa ni? Oh, kita dapat macam tualang je tu. But I still all this time when it cannot be found. I think the last I take it to this year ago. Okay. Huh? Oh, okay. Pas kita nak ke mana, guys? Tadi macam mana tutorial dia? Sekejap, kita nak set something je. Oh, nak ada setting. Oh, boleh save. Okay, game ni tentang save kan, auto save. Setting. Full screen. Tadi time Iki tekan full screen tu, tiba-tiba dia turn off sendiri record tu. Sorry. Okay, kita lanjut. Tadi Iki dah explore dekat atas ni. Atas ni tak boleh buka, bawah pun tak boleh buka. Kita boleh pergi belah kanan. Oh, apa benda tu? Iki nampak ada yang bercahaya. Hey, I shadow on the floor. Something stuck in the ceiling. What could it be? Nah, I can reach it. Macam kena ada sesuatu tu tarik, yes. Dekat sini dia pergi. Tak boleh. Macam ada notes kat situ. Sekejap. There's no one here. Kira rasa dia masuk ke alam gaib lah guys. Maybe I look around a bit more. Ni note ni boleh baca. Betul lah. If the emergency is active, the path to unlock is skills. Betul lah, boleh baca. Sekejap, baca notes sebelah tadi lah. Kat sini ada notes. Sini ada notes. Don't go outside. Jangan pergi keluar. So apa kita? Boleh buka-buka ke? Yes, I'm to be to. It's too dark. I have to turn off light. Okay, sama juga. Yang ni? A small cabinet for staff. I won't open it because the law has for a key card. Kita try pergi kat telefon tu guys. The train radio set made the possible to contact the radio company with it, but how to operate it? The driver seat is empty. Wait, the train will run automatic at this road. Don't they? So I'm stuck here. But in the morning, come on, I forgot to work tomorrow. Okay, so I just sleep here and take the first train home. Oi, what was that? Apa tu tadi guys? Something delivered somehow. Maybe I should go take look. Kat mana guys? Kat mana? Okay, ni tak boleh masuk kat sini. Kita try check kat luar ni. Fire extinguisher ni look heavy. Siapa tu guys? Ada orang lah guys. Halo? Dia tidur guys. Senpai, what are you doing here? When I look around, the restaurant was nearly empty. Is you right? Are you really here? You are. Long time no see, senpai. Anjay. Dia punya ni lah guys. Yeah, it's been a while. Tsunami. Nama dia tak Tsunami. Dia punya ni guys. Apa ni? Junior. Sian tak Tsunami for friend current college. Adventures with SMS. He joined the company. Just a few moments after I did. He master degree. He's smart, capable, clever, and great at his job. Dan ini the main different but is still crucial. Kebalikannya guys. Just work make me think that way. And so I distance myself from him, but I never expected to see him again like this. We got along at first because okay, but yeah, friendship apart. When I with him, I feel hopeless, so I don't want to get involved. But guess I see the youngness you stop to. I want to get out, but the just walk won't open the drive. Oh god. So I'm gonna sleep here tonight. Oh, is that so? That unfortunate. Actually, I still have work to do. I was going to finish it at home. You do and bring work home. That's true. But I'm making the presentation for a new project. It's hard work, but enough fun too. Then I never do anything like that. Oh, I know. Let's call the radio company. To start Tsunami, pull out his phone, the pocket, and like. The battery there. Yes, I'm sure it's something charged when I got the. But you have contact him, right? I think after I did. Mana satu guys? Is your phone out of power too? Let me check. I found the pocket and pull out my phone. No matter what I tap, the screen start dark. Oh, Mine's also dead. Oh, bateri semua mampus ni. Apa yang jadi sebenarnya dekat kereta api ni guys? Oh, senpai, you are whatever. Oh, what I can to say. The trend was a radio set. Let's see if we can use that. Okay, of course. It's awkward. I expected. We haven't talked it so long, and I feel so under the sort of him. Damn, I just want to get home. The trend was high radio set. Let's see if we can use that. Kita kena mana? Kat tempat tu tadi ke? Kan telefon tak boleh guna ke guys? Let's see the of the office is say. Oh, kita telefon. Apakah boleh angkat? You must go outside. Siapa ni guys? Don't do it. Your Zoom must not leave. Apply must not. The one side car and the appropriate. Okay, siapa yang jadi dekat train ni guys? What was that about? Did something terrible happen? This way, this connection. If we can contact anyone outside, then no point is staying here. Something must happen. For now, we should find a way out. But we must go outside. They say our view is okay. What if we just head on our way? That makes sense too, senpai. Whatever. What we need right now is to the awareness. If we don't know what happening, we can respond our personality. So we should figure out where we are at the least. Okay. Look at tsunami climate. We got it out. No, I don't stop it. You just feel for your makeup is now. Well then, let's enter the area first. Okay, I'm on it. Dia punya junior ni tenang lah guys. Kita punya karakter ni berdebar dia lain macam. So kita nak pergi mana guys? Oh, kat gunung kita tadi ke? Sekejap. Macam not chance maybe possible. How shall we do? Feedback kan? Sampai kawan ada berapa ending game ni guys? I got it automatic if you bet. Okay, yeah, so fun. Thank you for asking. Kita bisa under control. Oh, kita dapat operator ID card. Biar item screen. So what kita boleh lakukan sekarang? Ni boleh guna kat operator ni. Oh, okay, boleh buka ke? The door open. There are small pile of empty. Okay, ada pokok guys. It's for the trash. Oh, sana tu semuanya sampah. Oh, kita dapat oil lighter. We can use the light or burn something with it, but there's still like a bad idea. So apa yang kita boleh lakukan sekarang? 16. Ada kod lah guys. Okay, saya ada kod 16. Yang ni sama juga. Oh, sama je 16. Yang ni Okay, kita pergi explore tempat lain pula guys. Oh, ada cutscene. Just how the light. What was that? Apa guys? I can see a thing. Oh, tiba-tiba black out lah guys. Sampai the lighter give us lighter. Right. Oh. Apa tu guys? Aduh. What the heck is that block? Oh no guys. Ada sesuatu yang tak kena dengan kereta api ni guys. Predict what's going on. Is someone else who did this and why? The amount of that red block is spread all over. It's not hard to imagine what happened here. The start of block is forgotten. Crap. So tired and sleepy. Oh, karakter kita dah mula mengantuk guys. Karakter kita dah mula mengantuk. Dia bawa anti-Thomas Ross. But nothing come out. Okay. Damn, Senpai, are you alright? You don't look so good. Stream, wake up now. Okay. Apa ni guys? Darah siapa ni? Oh siapa ni guys? What was that? Senpai, what's wrong? I saw something where a woman got wet in blood. What, are you sure? Is everything alright? I feel sick. Was I the only one who saw him? I saw maybe or a dream. Karakter kita ni macam mula berhalusinasi guys. Mungkin perempuan tu juga halusinasi karakter guys. Boleh jadi karakter kita berhalusinasi sebab penat kot. Okay. You looking for Senpai, we club this up. Okay. Oh, macam di-error daripada back ni guys. I don't remember to get out of that. Way here but you don't remember it. Yeah, I guess so. But computer Senpai trust you memory. Okay. Kita tekan banyak kali pula guys. Okay. Oh, macam boleh tak kod kat sini guys. Macam ada kod kan. Kita dah dapat 16 tadi. Mungkin ada satu kod lagi kot. Tak boleh lalu. Kat sini dulu tak? Maybe we can try open it on the other side. Okay. Yang ni kita tengok apa guys? Boleh interact. Oh. Romance film poster. I don't remember the plot at all. Who can we still so tingkap. I don't think that's a good idea. Yang ni kosong So apa kita boleh lakukan sekarang? Tu macam ada bilik guys. Itu bukan. Kita try pergi dekat dia punya driver train. Okay. Kat sini udah lalu tak? Ada something macam tu. This. Ayat Tigusha. So apa kita kena buat sekarang guys? Maybe I could take the press and run drive home. Why was I have more lesson? Oh, I know. What did you say about that? Kat sini kan cakap 16. So, apa yang kita boleh lakukan sekarang? Sekejap. Oh, tadi kita dapat tuala guys. Jap. Dia save ke? Apa save Apa lagi tu? Save jawapan ni. Takut terhilang. Okay. So apa sekarang kita boleh lakukan guys? Kita pun tak tahu nak pergi mana guys. Sekarang ni tak boleh, tak ada jalan. Ni macam mana kita nak bersihkan guys? Okay guys, lagi-lagi ada masalah. Kurang ada tanda setting. Lagi-lagi ada masalah guys. Time interact tiba-tiba pula terkeluar. Ia tiba-tiba upload code. So kita nak gimana guys? Iki pening guys. Ini kan ada 16 kan? 16 ni tu. Kita tunggu. Kita nak cuba kalau 16. Oh. Ini 1 6 1. Nothing happen Okay. Ni agak sikit pening guys. So apa kita boleh lakukan? 16. Kita pun 16. 16 juga. Telefon mungkin. Itu ni pun tak boleh guna. Ni tak boleh. Tak boleh. Oh. Romance film poster. Okay. Oh, kita guna. Okay. Rupanya guys, kita ambil kita punya filem romance poster tu, kita buat lah. Okay, thank you. By the way, I saw something under seat while playing ni. Ada sesuatu di bawah kerusi masa kita membersihkan. 52. 52. Mungkin itu salah satu clue. 52. 16. Ini kita 52. Nothing happen. But then that's what. Maybe we're looking wrong way. Okay. Ya, iki rasa kan. Tadi kan 52. Kalau kita terbalikkan jadi 25. Tadi kan 16. Kita terbalikkan jadi 91. Kan? Apa kata kita terbalikkan juga? Ni jadi 25. Kita terbalikkan. Jadi kan 52 tadi. Lepas tu 16. Lepas tu kalau kita terbalikkan jadi 2591. Iki dah cuba banyak gila kod tadi. Iki kat. Kita cuba yang ni pula guys. Some levels to unlock. We did it. Now we can finally get out. We done sampai. But still the whole server is ready. Something can be go outside. Yes. I'm sure we are depot station and we go back to normal. That's what I said to myself. Like I open the door. Okay. Jujur. Ini sangat-sangat gelap. What the heck? There is nothing. It will track and down the station there. Will be fine. Even tak similar aku well, supposing give the situation. Is this real life? Then I can't take any more of this. Sampai is there okay, there must be angel somewhere. You just have to go forward. Okay. Oh, ada mesin nasi kat depan. Trash. Go to its content. Let's go. Oh, apa ni? Red ticket. Game ni lama ke guys? Terlalu lama kan? Kim nak buat part-part. Oh, ada sesuatu tak kena dengan karakter kita guys. Okay. Oh, siapa tu? The track platform only nostal with behind the yellow line. Oh, guys, bunyi kereta api. What the was that? Someone put on the track. Do you see that? No, I don't know what you sampai making me worry. So try again see what's that. And that I'm looking just my manager. But so then today there are no way. Sampai this only as but it's better to detect them well good. Yes, of course. Every station will have the bed. Then maybe wait out, let's say for each sampai. But even is to get how will we get home? Okay lah guys. Kita akan melanjutkan game ini di episode seterusnya pula guys. See ya. So sampai situ je untuk video hari ini. Semoga korang suka. Dan kalau korang nampak tadi, banyak benda-benda mistik yang berlaku sebab main karakter dia macam berhalusinasi dan tiba-tiba dunia dia ada darah like that dan tempat dia macam gelap-gelap gitu. So kita akan lanjutkan lagi di video seterusnya dengan lebih lama lah sebab hari ni banyak benda kena buat. So hari ni kita boleh main sekejap je. So jangan lupa juga untuk subscribe dan like, itu akan sangat membantu aku. So kita akan lanjutkan lagi Side Head Station di video seterusnya.